poppin'? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline. Me, yes. Literally every intro I make is kind of awkward because I'm kind of awkward, but that's life, isn't it? But let's just hop right into the video because honestly I'm better at just talking about that. So in today's video I'm gonna be installing a wig because that's kind of what I do, you know? So subscribe if you want to see more of those. But we're gonna be doing a wig install. So the wig we're gonna be installing today is from Omgherhair. Okay. I have worked with them before and I've also purchased their hair before, so I feel comfortable, you know, talking and recommending or not recommending this wig. I've not tried this wig in particular, but I've worked with this brand and I like them. They're more in the higher range companies, you know. Like I believe like this wig is probably, their wigs are more of the higher range, but they're higher range but worth it, right? And the reason why they're worth it, I'll explain to you. So I got this. So the wig I got this time, which was sent to me, and I haven't tried this wig specifically, it is like a honey brown color. They already dyed it, literally just unboxed it, but they already dyed it all up for me. So it's like a chestnut. I think it's supposed to be a chestnut color. And what I like about their company, they're one of those ready-made companies, so it's like already like plucked and bleached for you. Like check out the hairline. Like what? Look at that. You see that? Y'all see that? So literally all you gotta do is just install. No pre-work needed, which I feel like makes it worth the price. Because either you anyways, but yeah. And I believe their wigs are ready to they make them, what's it called? Made to order. Yes, that's the word. They're made to order. So basically you order it and it takes about, I think, 10 days, a couple of business days before they actually ship it out. The only actual prep work I guess I'm going to do is bleach, not bleach, but tint the lace, because you know, it's not, like she's melting, but I feel like she can melt a little bit more. So I'm going to use some concealer, if I can find her. Where's the concealer? I'm gonna use this concealer, and this is just like a beauty supply store concealer, and it's like basically the perfect shade of my skin tone. And then I'm gonna use this little brush right here, and I'm just gonna, you know, put that under the lace where it's gonna be laying on my forehead. So this way I just get a really good match. Just trying to make sure I get it all over the front, because that's where it actually really matters. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on this brown wig cap, but I don't know. So I'm putting on this brown wig cap, but I might take it off if it's showing under the lace. Because sometimes what I've noticed with colored wigs is that you kind of have to have like either no wig cap or a lace that's more closer to your skin tone. So let me see. Okay, it's not showing. Cool. Now, from what I'm seeing already, the hairline goes down a lot more. Like, my hairline does not stop down there. So I'm gonna definitely have to like cut it. Like, the front goes down really low, but the sides are good. So I'm definitely gonna have to do some extra customization up here, because yeah, no, that's not gonna work, babes. Get some clips. Okie dokes. So just gonna go ahead and cut out some sections to work with. Do I need to cut the lace around my ears? Yeah, just a little bit. Okay. Other side. This part kind of stresses me out. Ugh. I'm so dramatic. Lace spray of choice. We love her. We know her. Miss Ebon spray. I'm running out of this one. This is my favorite one, so I might have to use a little bit of this. This doesn't make it through, but we're gonna just go ahead and spray on the lace. And then go in with this. Okay, cut that section off. She's not trying to stick. I don't know what's wrong with her. And since it's not trying to stick, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out these hairs. Sometimes you gotta spray that lace down twice, you know? I don't know if it's me or the lace or God or the devil, but this is like getting a little bit chaotic. Like the lace, I don't know, something is just off. It's not sticking perfectly. It's cool. Sometimes you gotta work harder. But I'm just pulling out these hairs in the front that are like too long. Not too long, but like go way further down than my hairline. I'm just gonna section them out because they're gonna be getting cut off. Go ahead and spray in between the lace up here. And then, you know.
Come to her eyes, but nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that my will is weak. I wonder if I died, would tears come to her eyes, but nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that my will is weak. I wonder if I died, would tears come to her eyes, but nah, you wouldn't understand.
Now, to help with all the little residue up here, you see, I'm just gonna go in with this mousse. It's basically just water in here because I just keep refilling it, adding water whenever I see it go down. You can also just use water, but I like to use this because I feel like it doesn't make the lace lift that much. I'm just gonna put some on all that residue. Just try to scrape it off gently, you know. A wet napkin works just as well. I'm just gonna wipe that all off. Just gently wipe it off. Ensure everything is nice and stuck because I don't want any lifting when I try to do these baby hairs. I'm just gonna lightly spray where I see like a little bit of lifting. I'm just gonna put this elastic band over everything and let it sit and simmer. Probably for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. And to make sure it's not like sticking to my lace, I don't want it to stick to my lace. It's gonna get out more residue. I'm just gonna lift the band up a little bit, just to make sure things not sticking, and then gently place it back down. Cool. Now while that is doing what it does, we're gonna press out this hairline. If you see me chewing, excuse me, I'm eating. Got myself a bit of a snack. Because I feel like the way this wig is trying to fight me, I just can't install my wig and be hungry. Like, something has to work with me, okay? See, this versus this. Y'all see the difference? I hope you see the difference. Do not skip this step. Now, just for camera saving space sake, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera because y'all saw this side. You get the gist. Okay. Alright. Oof, my ears hurt. Period. Yes. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah. Flat. If you're like a no baby hair babe, you can wear it just like this. You can rock her like this. Like, what? These parts, don't mind these parts. They're a little bit greasy from the wax, so I'm gonna have to go clean that out. But that's why you gotta be careful with that wax. I've been trying to wear my wigs a little bit more further back these days, you know, more closer to my realistic hairline, 'cause, you know, oh my goodness. I literally just gave myself, I don't know, it's starting to smell like skin in here now because y'all, I just burned. Like at this point, I literally just have like a whole like dark line just from like, you know, all the burn scars. But that's how you know you're working for it. If you're not burning your forehead, then you're not doing it right, babes. The girls that get it, okay? Like literally I was watching 𝐒𝐀𝐿's video of him installing Ari's wig, and the way Shawty was flinching as he was hot combing her, I've never felt more validated and seen in my life. I was like, okay, good. So I'm doing it right. It should burn. I should be hurting myself. Spray a little bit of this to help the baby hairs stay down. I'm so annoyed because I forgot that I needed more eco styler and I don't have any, so I'm just gonna use my edge booster, edge control. I use this for my natural edges. I like using this because it's a little bit too waxy for like silky textures like this, but I just gotta use what I got.
I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that my will is weak. I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that my will is weak.
My camera all of a sudden wants to start acting funny, so if this video ends weird, I'm sorry in advance because I think my camera, she's barely holding on, baby. Okay, just in case my camera wants to die, I'm gonna do the finishing touches because after I'm just gonna straighten the hair out. So I'm just gonna do these on camera just in case it dies. I'm gonna go in with some concealer in the part to make it really stand out. Yep, and just like I predicted, my camera definitely died on me, but it's okay. Here is the finished look. As you can see, it's giving flat, okay? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you guys in another one. You know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.